हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इन्फिनिटी लर्न जेई बाय श्री चैतन्य। मैं मृत्युंजय कुमार, आपका केमिस्ट्री फैकल्टी, आज आपके साथ मोल कॉन्सेप्ट के एडवांस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं। तो आज हम लोग काफ़ी अच्छे क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करेंगे एंड आई होप इसके लिए जितने भी रिक्वायरमेंट थी थ्योरी की, हम इसके पहले मोल कॉन्सेप्ट और रेडॉक्स के अंदर पढ़ चुके हैं। ओके, तो सभी बच्चों का स्वागत है। जल्दी से सभी लोग सेशन को लाइक शेयर कर दीजिए, देन हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अपने लेक्चर को। और किसी बच्चे को अगर ऑडियो और वीडियो में कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो ये भी जल्दी से बता दीजिएगा। ओके, सो बच्चे लोग कैसे हैं? रमेश सिंह, गुड आफ्टरनून। गुड आफ्टरनून। आई होप रमेश आप बहुत अच्छे होंगे। और प्रिपरेशन कैसी चल रही है बताइए। ओके, सो आज कुछ अच्छे क्वेश्चंस करेंगे और कल परसों कुछ जनरल सेशंस में लूंगा परसों से, जो काफी आपके लिए इंटरेस्टिंग होगा। ओके रमेश, सो एवरीवन प्लीज लाइक एंड शेयर द सेशन एंड देन हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं अपने क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन को। ओके, सो मोल कॉन्सेप्ट फॉर जेई एडवांस, आई एम डूइंग माई बेस्ट। ग्रेट रमेश, ग्रेट। ओके, चलिए तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। फिर शुरुआत में एक दो बेसिक क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे, फिर हम आगे बढ़ जाएंगे। ठीक है, तो बच्चे लोग बहुत ही बेसिक सा सवाल है, ताकि जब बच्चे थोड़ा आ जाए उसके बाद हम और अच्छे लेवल पे आ जाएंगे। ठीक है, तो एक बहुत ही बेसिक सा क्वेश्चन है, इसे बताइएगा। व्हाट आर द फाइनल कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ नाइट्रेट आयन व्हेन फॉलोइंग आर मिक्स्ड? 50 ml ऑफ 0.12 m ferrous nitrate, ferric nitrate, 100 ml of 0.1 m ferric chloride plus 100 ml of 0.26 molarity of magnesium nitrite. Okay, so please tell me the answer. This is very basic question actually. So one or two we will take the basic questions, then we will start the some good questions that will utilize the N factor, that will utilize the concept of POAC. Okay, so we will do a lot of question on that. Okay, valency factor, N factor, law of equivalence. So we will apply all the theories today. Even 2 or 3 questions, 1 hour will be consumed. Okay, Ramesh Singh. Please. So Ramesh, it's a very easy question actually. So just this is not up to the start level, advanced level. Okay, sir, I am here. Great, great. Welcome, welcome. Option B. So one of your friend is saying option number B. So nitrate ion. Okay, so nitrate contain in these two substances. Okay, this is the nitrate ion. Okay, this is nitrate and this is nitrate. Okay, let's start. Okay, so Aditya, so this is very basic questions. Don't think this is the advanced level question. Just to start the session, I have taken this question. Okay, so please understand, this is ferric nitrate. Okay, this is ferric nitrate. So this is Fe3 plus and this is 3 nitrate ion. Okay everyone, so this is the first component and the second one is this is Mg nitrate. Okay, so this is Mg2 plus 2 minus. Okay, so let's see, my dear friend, molarity into volume. What this you will get millimoles. So what is millimoles of this? 0.12 into 50. Okay, this is the millimoles. Okay, and what is millimoles of this? 100 into 0.26. So these two things are millimoles. So what is millimoles of nitrate ion? So I hope this is clear. 3 into 0.12 into 50 is the millimole of nitrate, and in this case this is 2 into 100 into 0.26 is the nitrate ions. Okay, so what is the answer finally? So concentration of nitrate ion is nothing, 3 into 0.12 into 50 plus 2 into 100 into 0.26 divided by, okay, total volume will be what? 50 plus 100 plus 100, this is 250. Okay, so denominator is ml, numerator is also in the millimoles. So this is the final step. Okay, so I will not go for calculation. I hope everyone will find the right answer. Clear? All okay? This is the step. So please do somebody and please report the right answer. Everyone, please report the right answer. So any one of you have done this numerical calculation? So let me check where I have did this question. Okay, just wait, I will give you the right answer. So I will not going to calculate this number. Okay, this is very basic question actually. So anybody of you have calculated this question, my dear friend? So nitrate ion answer is, I think you will get answer is 0.28. D is the right answer. Any problem? This is just the matter of calculation. So this is answer is D. Clear? So this is very basic question. This is total millimoles of nitrate, millimoles of nitrate. So sum the nitrates ion, okay, sum the nitrates ion and divided by total volume. So numerator is millimole, denominator is milliliter. Okay, very good. So second question is again a very easy question. Then we will start its real answer question, okay, that is worth to solving for JEE Advanced. Please find the value of y for given expression. Y into this molecules of water are present in 250 milligram of this, please everyone, and the molar mass of this substance is around 126 gram. Okay, please, this is easy question. Yes, 0.28 is the answer. Yes, clear. This is again a easy question. Now after this we will enter in some good questions. Okay. Let's enter. Please answer. This is very basic question actually, okay? So molar mass of this particular hydrated oxalic acid I have given you 126 gram. So this is very basic question actually. So please calculate mole. So my dear friend, in this case, this is in milligram, okay? So you can't divide by 252 by 126. So this is 252 divided by 1000, okay? And now this is 126. So this is 0.002 mole. This is 0.002 mole, okay? This is the mole. Am I right? Okay. Let's see. Now, how many number of molecules? So, number of total molecules is equal to 0.002 into 6.0022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay? This is the answer. So this is the number of molecule. Everyone know in one molecule of this there is 2 molecule of water. So total number of water molecule. So total number of water molecules is equal to 2 into 0.002 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay. So now see what should be the right answer. So please answer. So I will go for calculator. So this is 0.002 into 2, okay, into 6.022. So this is, my dear friend, 0.024088 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, so this is 2.41 into 10 to the power 21. So answer is around 2.41. All okay? So this is very easy, basic question actually. This is clear? Done. Ramesh, Aditya. Okay, silly mistake. So these are very easy questions. So there is nothing special kind of things is used in these questions. Okay, now we are going to see the real JEE Advanced type of questions. Okay, so slowly we will move to that area. Any problem, my dear friend? So let's just start some good questions. Okay, so this is very basic. Okay, please answer this. One of the fantastic questions. Please note down. So every one of you have already attended now the n factor calculation. So please, a sample weighing 2.198 gram and containing a mixture of AO and A2O3 takes this much mole of K2CrO3 Cr2O7 to oxidize the sample completely to form AO4 minus and Cr3 plus. If this mole of AO4 minus is formed, okay, if formed, what is the atomic weight of A? Fantastic question. Please take your time. One of the coolest question. Okay, so take your time. Question is clear. So there is a mixture of containing AO and A2O3. A is unknown. Okay, so mixture of these two compounds consume this much mole of K2Cr2O7 to oxidize the sample completely to this and this. Okay, so this much mole of AO4 minus is formed. So what is atomic weight of A? Lokendra, hi, how are you, Lokendra? So Lokendra, IIT and Bombay toppers. Okay, so how are you? You are preparing or you are in college? So one of the fantastic question, please answer. So I will give you some time, then we will start the discussion. Okay. Take your time, take your time. So one of the coolest question, okay, please. Hi sir, where are you from? I am taking this lecture from Noida. Okay, so the sample weighing 2.198 gram and containing a mixture of AO and A2O3 takes this much mole of this. Okay, so I'm taking this lecture from Noida, I hope. So please tell me from where you belongs. Okay, so from which city of India you are taking this lecture. Okay, so at least we will do some basics. Let's assume weight of AO is X gram. Okay, so weight of A2O3 is 2.198 minus X gram. Okay, 2.198 minus X gram. Okay, because total weight is given. Cool. So step by step, move further. Okay, so one thing is given. If you will take the complete mixture, this is AO and A2O3, it will give you AO4 minus. Is it okay? Okay, sorry, 1 minute. And if with this species we will take K2Cr2O7, okay, then it will convert it to this, and this is okay. Everything written in the numerical itself. Please answer. One of the finest question, and I can't take credit of this question. This is not from, question is prepared from me. Okay, so those people who are very old in this field, they have prepared these questions. Okay, so please answer this question. This is one of the finest question. Please take care. You can solve this question by many methods. Okay. सर हिंदी में बोलिए, हिंदी में ही बोल रहा हूं भाई। आप लोग किस शहर से क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हैं बताइएगा। ओके चलिए, रिडॉक्स से तो ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर तो करना ही पड़ेगा। अब आपको समझ में आया रमेश, मैं रिडॉक्स क्यों पढ़ाया था मोल के बाद? क्योंकि इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस करने के लिए बिना रिडॉक्स के आप नहीं कर सकते, और मैं कमाल के मेथड से बताऊंगा। तो यहां पर A है +2 में, am I right? A2O3 है, तो बच्चा यहां पर हो जाएगा +3 में, am I right? जरा देखिए तो, एक ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट एक जगह कितना है +2 में, ओके, और एक जगह कितना है +3 में। Any problem? Lucknow. Okay, clear? Now, Cr is in +6. Now there is +7. Okay, this is the oxidation state of all the species. So, how many of you have listened? Can I solve this question? Lokendra, Ramesh, let's enter Aditya. Anuj, okay, so for this case, who will tell me what is the n factor? Please, everyone, let's see who have studied my n factor class. So please tell me what is n factor in this case. So from here it is going from +2 to +7. Okay, so we can say in this case 1 into 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. And in this case, what is the n factor? So n factor is equal to number of A per molecule is 2. So this is 2 into 7 minus 3. Okay. So my dear friend, this is, in this case, n factor will be 7 minus 3, 4, 8. Any problem? Please see. So this is 8. So n factor is 8. Clear? In this case, n factor is equal to 2 into 6 minus 3 is equal to 6. So, my dear friend, can we write? So, equivalent of AO plus law of equivalence, equivalent of A2O3 is equal to equivalent of K2Cr2O7. Okay, you can write separate reactions also, AO plus K2Cr2O7 and A3 plus A3O2 plus K2Cr2O7. Okay, because this is a mixture. Am I right? So my dear friend, number of equivalent, what I told you, who will tell me? So what was the number of equivalent formula? I told you many times, number of equivalent in your whole chemistry, you will use two formula. One is mole into n factor. So this is mole into n factor and normality into volume. So two things we will use in whole chemistry. Okay, mole into n factor, normality into volume. So two formulas we are going to use. Okay, this is clear? Now, please. So now please solve it. Okay, so equivalent of AO. So what is mole, my dear friends? So what is mole? Weight by molar mass. What is weight by molar mass? So let's assume molar mass of A is A gram, just MA. So what will happen? Equivalent weight is X divided by A plus 16. Am I right? A plus 16 into, what is n factor? 5. This is clear? This is clear? Okay, n into 5. Now, what is mole of it? So what is the weight of this? 2.198 minus X divided by, what is the molar mass? 2A plus 48. Okay, and multiply it by 8. Okay, now what is the equivalent of this? So in this case, mole of K2Cr2 is given, so 0.015. And what is n factor in this? 6. I hope so you will get this equation. How many of you got this language? Please confirm, everyone. So this language, I hope this will clear your all doubts. Please, any problem? Any problem, my dear friend? And now I will apply POAC. Any issue to this? Please. Any issue to this? So how many of you have learned POAC, Principle of Atom Conservation? Anant, Lokendra, Ramesh, Aditya, please tell me. How many of you know what is POAC? So now apply POAC for A atom. Okay, so this is the equation number first. Now apply POAC for A. Okay, now apply POAC for A. So no need to balance the reaction. Okay, we are very pro type of the level, pro type of a students. Okay, so my dear friend, per molecule number of A atom is 1, per molecule number of atom is 2, here is 1. Okay, so how we will apply? 1 into mole of this. Okay, 1 into mole of this. So what is mole of this? X by A plus 16 plus, okay, 2 into mole of this, 198 minus X divided by 2A plus 48. Okay, this is equal to mole of this, 1 into. So how much mole of form? So 1 into 0.0187. Now I am talking to the students who are best in calculation. So now tell me everyone, we have two variable A and X. We have two variable A and X. So linear equation in two variable. Okay, we have two equations, two variable. So I think one of the most easiest calculation for you people. तो मजा आ गया सबको? देखिए दो इक्वेशन है, दो वेरिएबल है, आप बहुत इजीली इसको आप क्रैक कर सकते हो. Okay. Done? Any problem, Ramesh, Lokendra? So can you report this answer after completing the lecture? Any one of you have any doubt? So in this case, we have applied the law of equivalence. But in this line, we have applied POAC. Okay, some people will balance this equation. So pro students will not balance. They will use the law of equivalence. Okay, so I hope, and in law of equivalence, what is the beauty of method? There is no need of balancing the equations. So you can handle a lot of complex question by this method. Any issue? Please ask. If not, then we will move further. So you want to solve this kind of questions, everyone? Even these days, advanced is not asking this level of question, but you should practice like this. Okay, if you will solve this kind of question for redox, believe me, your calculation is on the top. Okay, and this is very popular question. This is very popular question. Okay, so please answer. So I'm expecting some calculation from mathematical people. So find the value of X, find the value of A. Okay, please. Okay. Okay, this is clear? Okay, now, so please, this is 2014 advanced question. I think world easiest question. Please tell me. This is very easy question. Who will answer this? Okay. Please take your time and give me the answer. Okay, please. Why I have taken this question? After this, I will give you one more very interesting question, and definitely you are going to like that question. Okay, please, everyone. Please, everyone. This is easy question, not very tough actually. Sir, C. Okay. This is more than one choice. This is more than one choice. So what are the correct options? For the reaction I minus plus ClO3 minus gives H2SO4. Very basic question. Okay. So first of all, I think we can observe these two options. Let's see. So my dear friend, iodine is in -1, iodine is in 0. So this is oxidized. Yes, B is right. So I think no need of advanced question. See how C, let's see. Sulfur is already in +6. Maximum number of oxidation state of sulfur could be +6. In this case also this is +6. So actually C is wrong now. How C is right? C is wrong. Okay. Let's see. So just try to balance this. Okay. So what is OHR, oxidation half reaction? So this is I minus 2I2. Okay. So there is 2I and there is 2 electron. This is balanced. Clear? Now take RHR. So what is RHR? Okay. So ClO3 minus converting to Cl minus. So to balance water, oxygen, we will add 3 water, and now there is 6H plus. Okay. Now there is 1 minus, and there is, we will add 6 electron to this. Charge is balanced. Now we have to take care, इसमें H2SO4 होना चाहिए, ठीक है? So अगर if we will add 6HSO4 minus both side, what we will get? ClO3 minus plus 6H2SO4, okay, plus 6 electron, and we will get Cl minus plus 3 water plus 6HSO4 minus. Just I have balanced it. Okay. So now let's see what should be the answer. So water will also the product. Now a stoichiometric coefficient of HSO4 minus is 6. Yes, this is the 6. So A, B, D is the right answer. C is not. Okay, C is not the right answer. One of the finest question, please. So calculate this for minimum molecular mass. Okay, so minimum molecular mass. So 30 ml of a solution containing this much gram of salt per liter required 27 ml of this much normality of NaOH for neutralization. The same quantity of solution was also found to require 36 ml of this much normality of KMnO4 solution for complete oxidation. Calculate the value of X, Y, Z and N. So brilliant question. Okay, there is a salt that is KXHY, okay, C2O4 Z dot NS2O. This is the molecule. Very fantastic question. I hope everyone will answer this. सो दिस स्पीसीज इज रिएक्टिंग इन टू वे। और सभी बच्चे लोग सेशन को लाइक शेयर करते रहिएगा। ओके, एक बार इसका न्यूट्रलाइजेशन हो रहा है इस बेस के साथ। ओके, सो एक बार ये NaOH के साथ इसका रिएक्शन है और एक बार इसको KMnO4 के साथ। तो यहाँ एसिडिक रिएक्शन भी है, रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन भी है। दूसरा रिएक्शन क्या होगा, KXHY C2O4 Z dot NH2O and you will get for KMnO4. Two reactions we have. So have you seen this question, my dear friend? Have you seen this question? Please tell me. कितने लोगों ने क्वेश्चन पहले देखा है? आज आपको लगेगा कि लोग कितनी मेहनत करते हैं जो एडवांस में रैंक लाते हैं, और इसके लिए ऐसा नहीं कि आपको बहुत कुछ चाहिए, ठीक है, बस अच्छे क्वेश्चंस के साथ प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत है। आज आपको रियलाइज होगा, भले आप ना बनाओ, बट जैसे ही मैं बनाऊंगा तो आपको एहसास होगा कि अगर मैं इस तरह के अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चंस देखता जाऊं तो मेरे लिए तो कुछ भी नहीं बचेगा। ठीक है, तो देखते हैं। देखो भाई, बहुत ध्यान से देखना, समय कम है। ओके, लेट्स सी। पहले इसका n फैक्टर निकालिए। सो व्हाट इज n फैक्टर इन दिस केस? सो व्हाट इज n फैक्टर इन दिस केस? देखो, ये एसिड है। एसिड बेस रिएक्शन में क्या होता है, कोई भी एसिड जितना H+ रिलीज कर सकता है मैक्सिमम, वही उसका n फैक्टर होता है। तो यहां पर क्या होगा, y, यहां पर क्या होगा, y, NF इज y। क्लियर? यहां पर इस पे मत जाइएगा क्योंकि ये बेस है, ये एसिड है, तो कितना रिप्लेसेबल हाइड्रोजन है, y। तो इसका n फैक्टर होगा सिर्फ 8, y। क्यों? क्योंकि H2SO4 का n फैक्टर क्या होता है, 2। HCl का n फैक्टर क्या होता है, 1। इसी तरह से ओके, इसका n फैक्टर है। तो अब हम लॉ ऑफ इक्विवेलेंस हम यहां पर लगा लेंगे। तो देखिए कितना अच्छा लिखा हुआ है, NaOH का नॉर्मेलिटी और ml दिया हुआ है। तो बच्चों, इक्विवेलेंट इक्वल टू दो ही फॉर्मूला होता है, आइदर मोल इनटू n फैक्टर, okay, or normality into volume in liter. So these two things could be okay possibility. So answer is equal to 2. Very good, TG Rajput, at least you have tried. I'm very impressed. Okay, I don't know what is the answer. Let's see. Okay, I wish your answer is right. Okay, so let's come to this area, but understand the basics of this question. N factor is 2. Now my dear friend, so equivalent of this equal to equivalent of this we want to do. So for NaOH, what is the equivalent? Okay, so this is 27 by 1000. This is liter into 0.12. So this is equivalent of NaOH. So what is equivalent of this compound? So we will calculate weight by molar mass. So suppose its molar mass is m1. Okay, this compound molar mass is m1. Okay, so what is the weight, my dear friend? This is 9.15 gram divided by m. So this is the mole, but this mole is present in 1 liter. Okay, this mole present in 1 liter. So we can say in 1000 this is the mole. So in 1, this much by 1000, is it okay? And in 30 ml, so this is 30. Am I right? So this is the first equation. Am I right? Any issue? Any issue? Okay, 1000 में इतना मोल है, तो एक में क्या होगा, इतना बटा 1000, तो 30 में कितना होगा, इतना। परफेक्ट आंसर। ओके, सो फर्स्ट लाइन आपका क्लियर हो गया, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन। कम टू सेकंड, हु विल टेल मी व्हाट इज द n फैक्टर इन दिस केस? दिस इज वेरी ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन, वेरी ट्रिकी, और मजा आ जाएगा। देखो, कोई बच्चा स्मार्टली कह सकता है, सर मीडियम तो पता नहीं है, तो mn कहाँ जाएगा? जरूरत ही नहीं है इसका n फैक्टर का। क्यों? क्योंकि इसकी नॉर्मेलिटी और वॉल्यूम दोनों दिया हुआ है। ठीक है, तो नॉर्मेलिटी और वॉल्यूम दिया है, तो इक्विवेलेंट तो ऐसे ही आ गया। तो और एक चीज पता है कि C2O4 टू माइनस कहाँ जाएगा, CO2 में। तो ये +4 है और यहां पर +3 है। कोई इसका n फैक्टर बता सकता है? सुनिए ध्यान से, ये था एसिड बेस रिएक्शन, ये है रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन। तो यहां पर कार्बन कितना है, 2Z, तो पर मोलिक्यूल कार्बन है 2Z और 4 - 3, तो इसीलिए इसका n फैक्टर होगा 2Z। क्या हो जाएगा, 2Z। यस क्रिक, सो दिस विल बी 2z। अब इसको फिर से इक्विवेलेंट बराबर कर दीजिए, तो इसका क्या हो जाएगा, वेट बाई इक्विवेलेंट वेट। ठीक है, अब यहां से फिर से एक बार बराबरी कीजिए, 30 ml में क्या हो जाएगा, देखिए सेम 30 ml में कितना है ये 9.15 बाई मोल in divided by 1000 into 30, so this is the mole in 30 ml into valency factor n factor, this is 2, this is z is equal to, so this is 36 by 1000, this is 36 by 1000 into 0.12, so this is equation number 2, this is equation 1, this is equation 2, am I right? This is equation 1, this is equation 2. So if you will divide it 1 divided by 2 or something, okay, just do this equation. So what you will get, my dear friend, you will get ratio of, let's see, everything will be cancelled out, so you will get a ratio, okay, n factor I forget over there, so you will get a ratio YYZ, okay, you will get a ratio of YYZ because there is Y, there is Z, M, everything will be cancelled out. Cool everyone? Okay, so I will give you hint for the next part. Okay, so how we will calculate the x. Now कुछ हो या ना हो, कुछ हो या ना हो, कंपाउंड का इलेक्ट्रिकल न्यूट्रलिटी तो मेंटेन रहेगा, तो इसका चार्ज जोड़िए x, इसका चार्ज जोड़िए y, एक पे होता है -2 तो -2z इक्वल टू 0। ओके, ये चार्ज बैलेंस हमने किया, अगर हम चार्ज बैलेंस करेंगे तो ये होना जरूरी है। अब इसको हमारे पास YYZ का रेशियो आ चुका है, ठीक है, YYZ का, तो यहां से हमको अब क्या निकालना है, यहां से बताइएगा, अगर आप इसको y से डिवाइड कर दो तो XYY प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 2z बाई y, तो यहां से YYZ की वैल्यू पता है, यहां पुट अप कर दोगे तो XYY की वैल्यू आ जाएगी और मिनिमम कंपाउंड के लिए यही से आंसर आ जाएगा। आई होप आप इसको आगे बढ़ के आंसर कर लोगे। कैसा लगा ये सवाल, बताइए कैसा लगा ये सवाल एवरीवन? सो हाउ वाज द क्वेश्चन? डन? सो क्रिक आप अच्छा जा रहे थे, बहुत बढ़िया, 2z, यस यस क्रिक, आपको बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है। तो देखिए कई बार बच्चों के साथ होता होगा, अगर पुराने टाइम के एडवांस के क्वेश्चंस अगर वो लाएंगे तो उनको ये बड़ी समस्या पड़ेगी इस पे, ठीक है। गुड आफ्टरनून यूजर। ओके, सो हाउ वाज द क्वेश्चन? तो प्लीज यूट्यूब पर इसको आंसर कीजिएगा, किस तरह से आप इसको लेकर आगे बढ़ सकते हैं, ठीक है। सो आज के लिए इतना काफ़ी रखते हैं। अगर आपका इंटरेस्ट अच्छा बना रहा तो हम ऐसे और भी तगड़े क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। तो आई विश कि आपको ये पसंद आएगा और ज़रूर अपनी सहमति बताइएगा कि सर आप क्या ऐसे अच्छे क्वेश्चंस करना चाहते हैं, तो मैं एडवांस के लिए और भी अच्छे क्वेश्चंस लाऊंगा, क्योंकि एडवांस के अगर मैं टॉप लेवल के क्वेश्चन लाऊंगा तो मुश्किल से 1 घंटे में 4 क्वेश्चन से 5 हो पाएगा मैक्सिमम, ठीक है, बट आपको मजा आ जाएगा। देख रहे हो एक ही क्वेश्चन में हर चीज घूम कर आ जा रहा है। ओके, सो प्लीज कमेंट कीजिएगा, सेशन को लाइक शेयर कीजिएगा, मिलते हैं अगली क्लास में, बाय।